All right. Well, I'll just talk about what I wrote. I talked to my email list about earlier today, and that is your morning routine. Now, I won't get into all of the things I do in the morning, but I will say this, or let me ask you this. What is the first thing you do when you wake up? Do you reach for your phone to kind of see what's going on social media, or are you reaching for that snooze button to, give you an extra 5, 10, 15 minutes of sleep? Or are you doing something else? Personally, I like to say a prayer, and then I have a gratitude exercise I've been doing every morning for the last, I don't know, about 3 or 4 months. And it's a great way to kind of take control of my day. When I just go to my phone or will go to my phone or anything like that, as the first thing I would do to check social media or email or text messages, I'm basically giving up my time to somebody else. I'm seeing what they want and I'm reacting to what's happening, be it bad news in the news, be it something stupid on social media, whatever it is. I'm giving my time to somebody else. And those first few minutes of the day should be for me. That's why I say the prayer. If I do the gratitude to be thankful for what I have. And then after that, I can start to go on and think about what I'm going to do for the day and things like that. So, you see me, Matt? Great. Appreciate it. Are you at work right now watching this? You shouldn't, Matt, you should be working right now. You shouldn't be, unless you're at home sick. You at home sick? But anyways, the first part of your day, as I was saying, is that you should be definitely taking the time for yourself. Fuck the world. This is your time to kind of collect, get yourself ready for the day, and then you can approach the day on your terms, not on their terms. You are going to be reacting to everybody else at work or with your family or your badass kids or whatever. So why not take a couple minutes, 15, 20, 30 minutes to yourself and enjoy yourself? I'm not talking about in that, way where you're touching yourself. I mean, if you want to do that, that's fine too. I have no problem with that. But what I'm saying is get your mind right for the day. Get your mind set up for the day. You conquer your day. Don't let your day conquer you. Does that make sense? All right. So it seems I have my audio problem sorted. There's no need to go on any further. I do appreciate everybody for tuning in. So next time it will be even more of a planned post. And I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Make sure if you're not on my email list that you jump on it. Send me a message. I'll get you on there ASAP. And other than that, I will see you later. Peace out.